Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open the Microsoft Teams desktop app and go to Calendar or Calls. Select the meeting and click Join to open the pre-join screen. Look for background settings on the right side of that screen under Audio and Video options. Choose Background Filters or Background Effects to open the panel. Use images sized 1920 x 1080 pixels for best results, and keep file sizes under 15 MB. These steps let you change backgrounds before you enter the meeting, saving time and preserving privacy during setup. Select a built-in background from the Background Effects list or choose Blur for a soft focus. Scroll through thumbnails and click each option to select it. Click the Preview button to see how your chosen background will look before joining the meeting. Adjust your camera framing so the background appears correct and your head is centered in the image. Use the camera zoom or physically move the device to improve composition and ensure the background covers the entire video frame. Click Add New to upload a custom image file from your computer and apply it immediately. Choose JPG or PNG files that follow the 1920 x 1080 recommendation and keep file sizes below 15 MB. After selecting or uploading a background, click Apply to lock it in and enable Camera Preview to confirm appearance. If you need to remove a custom image later, open Background Effects and select the default option. On mobile, tap the three.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.